Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and my new video. Today guys we are going to cover how to turn off superpower saving mode. So you can see guys in your phone guys, you can see guys, you cannot use guys, you can see battery can last up to 1 day, 3 hours and 5 minutes. And guys you can see this type of setting in your oppo phone. So guys how can you turn off guys your power saving mode? So in this video guys I am going to show you fans. So before starting video fans, I want to tell you guys, if you need my channel, so then first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So it's now time to start video. And first of all guys swipe, and as you can see after swipe guys this settings, so as you can see guys there are two settings guys here and here. So you will have to click on guys this left side, and as you can see exit super power saving mode. So I tap here to exit. So is now you can use guys your phone, and guys your battery super power saving mode will off in your oppo phone guys. So friends click on battery, so you can see guys power saving mode has off it. So like that guys you can off your super power saving mode in your oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye my friends.